Welcome to the Health and Safety System Building course. This course will help prepare you to develop and implement an effective health and safety system that is tailored to your organization. Check out the following information to learn more about the course. A health and safety management system sets a standard for how a company manages the health and safety of its employees. There are different ways to create a health and safety management system. This course is focused on creating a health and safety management system that meets the requirements of Alberta's Certificate of Recognition program. Upon completing the course, you should be able to achieve the following objectives. At any time during the course, use the menu to monitor your progress. Explore the glossary and resources by clicking up here. Move back and forth between pages using the navigation buttons. Pages may have interactive buttons, markers, shapes, images, etc. Clicking them will bring up more information or trigger other elements. Please make sure you visit all interactive items before moving to the next page. This module introduces you to workplace health and safety management systems. Upon completing it, you should be able to achieve the following objectives.